So in the last episode, we picked up family and friends at Pointe-à-Pitre in Guadeloupe. Guadeloupe is an island that looks like the gray matter of a spinal cord in its shape. And then we left the city and we sailed towards Petite-Terre, where we spent a couple days snorkeling and looking at sea turtles. In this episode, we sailed towards Les Saintes, which is south of Guadeloupe. A beautiful set of islands, one of my favorite places in Guadeloupe. It's a charming series of islands with nice hiking up to the top and nice restaurants.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know it could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know it could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you.
Getting my extra fishing rod holder. Time in the morning, Pierre? And you're gonna
7:20.
And you're going to
Take your cleat apart.
fix the spring?
Yeah, to see what's wrong with the spring, because right now it's all jammed. It doesn't work anymore at all. See? Spring there. And you can't lift this. It's in trouble. So I have to see what, if
what are you
anything.
doing now?
The same thing.
I know, but it's apart.
No, it's this spring here is the one that bent back.
Is it?
So I'm trying to put it back in there, but now I know that
Put it back in where?
into this hole here, so that it pressures the spring like this, so down, so that the cam always stays down.
So Pierre, are you at the put it back together stage now?
Yes, it's always amazing. Something that looks so simple, when you take it apart, all of a sudden it's so complicated when you try to put it back together. Nice challenge, like a big chess game.
Oh. It looks like you found out where everything goes.
Almost.
Let me see, because your hand's in the way. just in time for breakfast. Yeah, wind it when it goes down.
Okay.
Come to the side. Wait, say ça. En haut, tire, and wind. Tire, en haut, wind. Wind. When it goes down, wind. Tire, en haut, wind. Oui, c'est ça.
Oh my God! I need to go away.
Oh yeah, it's a big one. Look at it. You see it?
Oh, hey, c'est belle souffle.
OK, need
Ah, j'ai les bras bas.
the knife and the alcohol.
It's right here. Right here. Well, that's an interesting sight. We just heard 5 blasts of the horn with this cruise ship arriving. We're in Marina Beaufort, and it's being towed by a tugboat. Good morning to you. Today, Pierre needs to go up the mast to remove those.
That's supposed to be a vibration dampener, meaning that it's supposed to prevent the shrouds from vibrating when it's really windy.
Well, we'll know if it makes a difference, but I like the sound.
I'd rather have the sound of the rudders, which I have to fix, by the way. It's not on my list. Just redo the trailing edge of the rudders, because above 11 knots, you know, we had that buzz in the back.
No, it's like, sounds like singing whales.
That's it. It's only above 11 knots, so it's a good speed indicator.
So those are the 2 anti-vibration pipes that were removed. So I'm just wiping the boat down, and I want to show you something I noticed. So this rust spot, I notice it every time I wipe the boat down, and every day it's worse.
Okay.
So that means there's something in there that's getting worse. Right inside there.
Yep. Yeah, I'll have to look into it.
So and where does that go on your list of things to do?
Well, it's certainly not major, but it should be looked at.
All right.